In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Shopify to Zendesk. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your Shopify store connected to your Zendesk account, so your support team can see customer and order information right inside Zendesk while handling tickets. Let's get started inside your Zendesk account. First, log into your Zendesk admin dashboard using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand panel. You'll see a series of icons there. Find the rocket icon, which opens the Zendesk Admin Center, and click it. This is where you manage all your settings, integrations, and apps. When the Admin Center opens, stay on the left-hand side and look for the section called Apps and Integrations. Click on it to expand the options, and then select Integrations. This page lists the different integrations you can connect to Zendesk. From here, look for the Shopify integration. Once you see Shopify, click it. This action will take you out to the Shopify App Store page for the official Zendesk app. A new browser tab or window will open with the Shopify App Store listing for Zendesk. If you're not currently logged into your Shopify account, Shopify will prompt you to log in first. So go ahead and enter your store details if needed. Once you're logged in and viewing the Zendesk app page in the Shopify App Store, look for the Install button and click it. Shopify will now show you a screen where you can review the app permissions. This explains what data the Zendesk app will be able to access from your store, such as customer and order information. Take a moment to scan through these details so you're comfortable with what's being shared. When you're ready, click Install again to confirm. After confirming the installation, you'll be asked to enter your Zendesk subdomain. This is usually the first part of your Zendesk URL, the part that comes before .zendesk.com. Type in that subdomain carefully to avoid any connection issues, and then click Submit. Once you submit your subdomain, you'll be taken back to the Zendesk Admin Center. Zendesk will now prompt you to give this new Shopify connection a name. Choose something clear and recognizable, especially if you manage multiple stores or environments. After entering the name, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and click Connect. At this point, Shopify and Zendesk will finalize the connection in the background. When it's done, your two platforms are officially linked, and you can start using Shopify data directly in your Zendesk support workspace.